Hello friends, today we are learning about wild animals. Now see, name different wild animal. आज हम wild animal के name learn करेंगे with spelling. Now let's start. First, lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Next, tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger, tiger. Next is panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda, panda. Next is giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Next is hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Next is monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Next is bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Next is eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle, eagle. Next is crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Thank you for watching. Hope you all like this video. Please like, subscribe. Bye.